Decided to do the all about my squishy set created by Kawaii Unicorn and Cookies Daisy. So let's just get started. The first is squishy that you really like to squish even though it's not that squishy. So for that I choose my Hello Kitty macaron because I like to squish this a lot, and this is probably my favorite squishy kinda. The second question is squishy that you rather lost it instead of giving it away, sell it, trade it. Um, for that, I choose my Jumbo Unstun band because this is so surprising and I like this, but I don't care if this lost. So yeah. The next question is squishy that you almost never squish although it's squishy. So for that I choose my Hello Kitty Queen Top because it's slow rising but it's easy to get defects. So yeah. So the next question is squishy that does not represent your character. For that I choose Rilakkuma Cake because Rilakkuma, yeah, I guess that's count. And my style is like I play sports, and I don't know if Rilakkuma does. I don't know. The next question is number 5. Most sticky squishy. For that, I choose my Jumbo Panda Band, and this is so sticky, and I don't know why. So it's also so rising, and I love this so much. Number 6. Squishy that makes you happy every time you squish it. For that, I choose my Rilakkuma Low because I like it so much. That's why I have 2 of it. And I'm going to buy more for like 5. I'm going to buy 5. So, this is the dog. I want it to be a lot because I can squeeze it a lot and I like. Number 7. Most hate squishy. I choose my Capybara-san, but medium I think, because this is so defect and it's not even slow rising. And why this one is slow rising? Like that one is not slow rising, so I hate that squishy so much. Number 8. Most weirdest looking squishy. For that I choose my Joker one, and this is what my sister do. And this is weird and it's scary though. So this is for the question. And number 9, favorite squishy collector. Um, I don't know. I think Sharifa Star or her YouTube, you in Sharifah Live, her Instagram Sharifah Star. Number 10 and the last question is most expensive or cheapest squishy. Most expensive. Wait, I'm trying to find that thing. I choose my Hello Kitty ice cream, and this is like 48 ringgit. But I just take peek and just buy. easy. Don't need to like so, you know. I don't care if it's cheap or not because I just buy. If I want, I just buy. Okay? So for most cheapest squishy is going to be my Bitten Donut because this is for like 3 ringgit, I guess. And I like Bitten Donut like this because the sprinkle makes me happy though. Like, I like to squish this. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I thank all of you that watching this video to do it. So give this video a thumbs up and bye bye.